Today I'm going to show you how to reset the service message in the workshop menu on a Mercedes E220. Okay, so when you get into the car there, you have no lights on. Go to the ignition button and just press it to ignition 1. So you should have the gear indication light there showing. So it'll show you what mode it's in. It's comfort mode at the moment. So then what we need to do is we need to go to the menu buttons here on the steering wheel. So this is an Irish car, so it's on the right hand side. So you press and hold the back button here for a couple of seconds. I'll count them down, and just as it's changing, you press this button here. So it's tricky enough to get this timing right. If you don't get it right, you won't get into the menu. So I'm going to press it now. 1, 2, and you see it just changing there. Press the center button, and then you can scroll down to Assist Plus. When you press Assist Plus, it'll ask you to switch on the ignition. So again, just press on the ignition. All the lights come on the dash, and you'll see service data, so that'll give you information on the service. But to reset, you have to go to the full service. Press the selection button there on the steering wheel, and it brings you down to all the services. So what we need to do is go down to confirm service, and when you press confirm service, you'll get the selection of the different types of oil grade that you use. So the oil grade I used on this one was 229-31. So I'm not going to reset this because I've already done it. So that would mess it out. So I'm just going to go back out of that menu. But for you, select whatever oil you used in it, and then it'll ask you to confirm that the service has been completed, because it's irreversible once you do it. So I'm just going to go back out of the menu, back out again, back out again, and there you can see on the dash the workshop menu. Now that does not normally show when you press the button here on the menu, unless you follow the sequence exactly as I've laid out there. So that's finishes this video for today. Hope you have success with it.